Hello everyone and welcome to Shay's Tech Academy. In this video, we'll be discussing the concepts of parameters and arguments in Python programming. So, what are parameters? Parameters are like placeholders that define what kind of arguments a function can accept. They act as variables within the function definition, and their values are set when the function is called. Let's take a look at a simple example where we have function with a single parameter. For this, we have to write code something like this. In this example, the greet function has a single parameter called name. When we call the function and provide the argument John, the value John is assigned to the name parameter. The function then prints hello John. Now let's have a look at second example where we have a function that takes multiple parameters. In this example, the add_numbers function has two parameters, a and b. When we call the function and pass the arguments 5 and 3, the values 5 and 3 are assigned to the a and b parameters, respectively. What's inside the function is a calculation which adds a and b. Then the function calculates the sum of the two numbers and prints the result. So if we run this now, it should give us an output of 8. Now let's take a look at another example where we have a function with default parameter. In this example, the greet function has a default parameter name set to guest. When we call the function without providing an argument, the default value guest is assigned to the name parameter. The function then prints hello guest. However, when we call the function with the argument John, the provided argument John overrides the default value, and the function prints hello John. These examples demonstrate how parameters and arguments work together in Python functions. Parameters define the variables in the function definition, and arguments are the values passed to the function when it is called. Okay, now let's have a look at two examples that involve more complex scenarios. Let's demonstrate a Python function called calculate_average that calculates the average of a variable number of input values. Let's see how that is done. In this example, the calculate_average function takes a variable number of arguments using the asterisk numbers syntax. This allows us to pass any number of arguments to the function. Inside the function, the numbers parameter becomes a tuple containing all the passed arguments. We calculate the sum of the numbers divided by the count of numbers and return the average. In this case, we pass 5, 10, 15, and 20 as arguments to the function, and it calculates and returns the average value 12.5. Okay, let's finish off this lesson with one last example. In this example, we will have a function with keyword arguments. What we will try to do in this example is to showcase a Python function that creates a person dictionary with the given name, age, and additional details. Let's see how we would do that. Okay, let me explain what's going on here. We first define a function named create_person that takes in three parameters, name, age, and ** details. The ** details parameter allows for any additional keyword arguments to be passed to the function. Then we create a dictionary named person. The name parameter is assigned to the key name in the person dictionary. The age parameter is assigned to the key age, and the additional keyword arguments ** details are assigned to the key details. This way, the function can store the provided information in a structured manner. Next, we specify that the person dictionary should be returned as the output of the function. Then we define a dictionary named person_details with additional details, such as the person's city and occupation. These details will be passed as keyword arguments to the create_person function. Finally, we call the create_person function and pass the arguments John and 30, along with the **person underscore details syntax. The *** operator unpacks the person underscore details dictionary into keyword arguments, so the function receives the additional details, city and occupation, as keyword arguments. Then we basically print the contents of the person dictionary, which includes the name, age, and additional details provided in the person underscore details dictionary. So if we run this now, we should get all the details like name, age, and other details like city and occupation and so on. These examples showcase more advanced usage of parameters and arguments in Python functions, such as handling a variable number of arguments and using keyword arguments for more flexible function calls. Well, that's it for this video on parameters and arguments in Python programming. I hope you found this helpful and now understand how to use parameters and arguments in your own functions. Don't forget to share your feedback and subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials. Let's catch up in the next lesson.